Welcome back to my channel, The Baking Diva. Well, today I'm going to be working on episode 3 of my Chaffle a day keeps the carbs away. Excuse my bird in the background. She's going to chirp through this whole thing, and there's nothing I can do about it, so just try to block her out, unless you like that little melody of birds. You know, those that watch me, she wants to take over my channel. Well, if you're wondering why it took me so long to get to episode 3, I'll tell you now. First of all, a few weeks ago I had cataract surgery on my right eye, which is still healing. I have no eye makeup on because I'm not allowed to wear it. And then a little over a week ago, I had the surgery done on my left eye. So I'm still putting drops in the eyes. They're still irritating me. I've had a few issues. The doctor said I have to give it time to heal. He said everybody's different. When you have lenses in there that, you have cataracts on your eyes, the lenses get blurry or yellowy. And then when they put the new lenses in, especially these new modern ones they have now, they're nice and clear. So he said some people see beautifully the next day, and others it takes a while. He said your brain is used to looking at things and colors a certain way. Now you have to retrain your brain to look at them a different way. He said some people, they're seeing better in a day, some a week, some it could take months. So of course I have to be one of those ones that it doesn't work out perfect in one day. And let me tell you something weird. After I had the first one done, I called him because whenever I went into the bathroom and looked into the bathroom mirror, I was seeing blue all over my face, like a purpley blue, shadows on my face. It was very weird. My hair was looking blue, and of course I was freaking out. I don't know if any of you who have ever had cataract surgery encountered that. So when I went back to see him a few days later, he said, he gave me some technical reason because of the lenses, how the brain is seeing the color and blah, 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 and to give it time. Well, it's much better now, but periodically when I go in the bathroom, I'll still see a little bit of blue. It's very disturbing, but he said I have to give it time. And my vision isn't as perfect as I thought it was going to be long distance, because I mainly did this for driving. So I see him now in a month, and we'll see how that goes. So that's the update on my cataract surgery. And also, we had a major nor'easter here. If you saw my last video, I did it just on the amount of snow we got here and what we were going through. If you haven't already seen it, take a peek, because oh my God, we got oh, now the dog is barking. The nor'easter brought us that we just had, probably between 2.5 and 3 feet of snow. It was horrendous. Everything was closed down for days, and there are such high piles outside that you just wouldn't even believe it. There's snow here, snow there, and snow everywhere. We don't even have any place to put all the snow. And worse than that, they're predicting about another 6 inches tomorrow. So between my cataract surgery and our snowstorm, finally getting a chance today to do episode 3 of my Chaffle a day keeps the carbs away. So what do you say we get started? First of all, I have my little Chaffle maker here. And for those of you who don't know what a Chaffle maker is, it's a 4-inch mini waffle maker. I have a Dash brand. Now goes the grandfather clock. Oh my gosh. I don't think I was meant to make this video. Oh my goodness. Anyway, it has a lid that comes up, and it's a mini waffle maker. I have the Dash brand because I bought this quite a while ago, and I never had 1 minute of a problem with it, and I got it off of Amazon. So if you don't have one and you're interested, I'll put the link down below under my Amazon favorites. That bird's not going to stop chirping today. Anyway, These Chaffles are a combination of, let's say, cheese and egg. There's usually cheese and egg in every Chaffle, and they are keto and they are low carb. So anybody that's trying to follow the low carb, maybe you gained a couple of pounds during this pandemic from being stuck in the house, or whatever, these are perfect. I make them sometimes for a dessert. This one I'm making today, I'm going to use for my lunch as soon as this video's over. Valentine's Day is on Sunday. I believe it's next Sunday. So I thought I'd put my little love shirt on for you today. So, all right, stop blah, blah, blabbing, Dolores. And also a big thank you to all my new subscribers. There's so many of you, and it means, honestly, so much to me. It helps my channel to grow, and I make new friends, and I love you all. So today, we are making a, you ready? Chicken bacon ranch Chaffle. And this is going to be so yummy and so easy. So let me tell you the ingredients. First of all, you're going to need some shredded cheddar Jack cheese. And you're going to need 1 egg, which I've just lightly beaten. You're going to need 1/3 of a cup of diced chicken. And you're going to need 1 strip of bacon, well done and broken up into little pieces. And the trick to this one is you're going to need a teaspoon, you ready, of this dry or Hidden Valley ranch seasoning. And I always like to hit my Chaffle maker with a little bit of Pam. It's non-stick, you don't have to, but I always like to. I'd rather be safe than sorry. So, what are we going to do first? I have just this little measuring cup here. And what I'm going to do, and I always put the recipe in the description box for you, so you can go down below if you want to make them. So in here, I'm going to heat up my Chaffle maker. And in this small bowl, or I'm just going to use this, I'm going to put my egg. So simple. Here we go. My egg goes in there. I'm going to put my teaspoon of powdered ranch dressing. That's a new one, right? I'm also going to put in there, let me see, my cheese, my Monterey Jack shredded cheese. Don't make a mess, Diva. And I'm going to just mix it up. I'll mix it up with my spoon here. Whoopsie. This cataract surgery really took a toll on me. Putting all these drops in, my eyes are irritated. Somehow or other my skin got very dry. So I'm trying to moisturize it and do the best I can. Okay, alrighty. Now, after you mix this a little bit, you're going to add in your bacon. Now, let me tell you a little trick about the bacon. I bought the package of the pre-cooked bacon that you cook in the microwave. So easy. I just put a little paper towel down on a dish. I'll put the bacon on it and a paper towel on top and cook it in the microwave till it's well done. And then I break it up. It's just an easy way if you want to make these Chaffles a lot. You don't have to get a package and fry or bake your bacon. This is just a good hack. So I'm going to put that bacon in there. And I'm going to put my diced up chicken. Now, you can use your leftover chicken, maybe from a rotisserie chicken. You can cook your chicken breast, or you can buy those envelopes that already have the cut up chicken in them that you use for salads and all. So that's what I did. All easy. And I'm going to mix all this together. So far that looks pretty good, right? Now my Chaffle maker is all heated up. Okay, and I hope any of you that were caught in this nor'easter are staying warm and safe, because let me tell you, I haven't seen that much snow in years. All right, so now I'm going to open up my heated Chaffle maker. You don't have to do this, but I like to do it. I'm going to just put a little tiny bit, not a lot, of cheese down on the hot Chaffle maker. I just find that that makes my Chaffle a lot crispier when I cook it. And I'm going to take, this makes 2 Chaffles, so I'm going to take half of my mixture here. I'm going to put it on my Chaffle maker. Does that look good? That chicken and bacon. Who doesn't like bacon, right? This is a great savory Chaffle. Put that on there. Okay. And now I'm going to put my lid down. Don't overfill it, because you'll have it squirting out the sides and you'll have a giant mess. You're going to cook this for about maybe 3 to 4 minutes. Don't start picking up your Chaffle maker too soon, because you'll have a big mess. You'll have it stuck all over. You got to give it time. It will sneeze. It will sneeze. It will steam. And that's right, it's supposed to steam. I hear it sizzling. Now, let me just tell you that when these are done, I'm going to be back. I'm going to show you what they look like, and I'm going to show you how I like to eat them. So don't go away. Okay, I think this should almost be ready. I don't know if I cut off my head or not. Doesn't matter, because you don't need to see me. I just want you to see the Chaffle. So I'm going to open it up. I see it's nice and brown, and these can come right out with a fork. Now, I happen to have a heart dish since it's almost Valentine's Day. So I'm going to take this Chaffle out. Now, normally, when I take my Chaffles out, I put them on a cooling rack because they stay crispy that way, rather than just put them straight on a dish. But that's okay. I put the cheese on the bottom, and see how nice and crispy that came out? I hope you can see it. I'm going to put that here, and I'm going to make my next Chaffle. These smell so delicious that I can't wait to eat them. And it's lunchtime and I'm hungry. At least the bird quieted down for a few minutes. I better not talk too soon. She'll start up again. That bacon and that cheese in there, yummy. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Close this one. Okay. And let this one cook. All right. So you can say, if you're looking for an amazing savory Chaffle, you will love these. Now, if you're wondering what I put on my dish, I put some sour cream on there. You don't have to eat them with sour cream. You can eat them, let me get my cheese out of here. You can eat them with anything you like. A lot of people like to dip them in ranch dressing, but I'm going to dip mine in sour cream today. Okay, so here we are. I made my 2 chicken bacon ranch Chaffles, and I have some sour cream on the side, and I'm going to do a taste testing for all of you now. Now, I guess you could just pick it up because it's nice and crispy, dip it and bite into it, or you can use a knife and a fork, slice it into strips to dip in. I think I'll just cut this one for now. Cut it into like 3 or 4 little strips. Here we go. Now we're going to taste this amazing savory Chaffle. You don't have to deprive yourself when you're eating low carb. Ooh, look at that. Let me dip it in a little. Now let me taste it first without the sour cream. Really good. I'm going to dip it in some sour cream. Even better. I like it better with the sour cream. These are so good. So good. So I hope you enjoy this recipe. I'm going to enjoy my lunch now. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please go down and hit the red subscribe and the little notification bell till it says all. And then that's all there is to it. It's free, and you won't miss any of my upcoming videos. Make a comment and give me a thumbs up. YouTube seems to love them, and they help your channel to grow. Also, if I'm able tomorrow, if it's not tomorrow, it'll be the next day, I am going to make these fantastic Valentine's Day cookies. And there might even be some interesting photos in there that you might like to see. Hint, hint, maybe the cameraman and the Diva. We'll see. So thank you all for taking time out of your busy schedule to watch me. I love each and every one of you. You mean the world to me. And I will see you all very soon. Toodles! Mmm. Mmm, mmm, mmm.